Alright, everything good? Salinas traffic, Aero 3972 X-rays, departing runway 31 for right departure southeast, Salinas.
Approaching runway 31. Entered runway 31, 4,700 feet remaining.
Alright, looks clear, looks clear. Alright, here we go. Alright, airspeed's moving. 80 knots. Alright, landing gear's coming up. Salinas traffic, Aero 3972 X-ray is turning right crosswind for southeast departure off of runway 31, Salinas. Alright, let's do fuel pump off, leave the landing light on.
But you're already down to 80%. I think when you're flying, you can't hear it as much. Oh yeah, you can. Wait.
Whew. That noise is us trying to...
traffic. Diamond Star 233 Alpha Mike, we are 9 miles straight in, runway 3.
Push it in, it goes away.
1
Trying to plug in the power to the iPad to keep it charging.
Salinas traffic, Denver Friday Gulf is about 5 to the northwest, be entering right traffic 31. We'll try to sequence either well in front of you or behind you.
Oh yeah, that's annoying. Alright, Kevin and I are on our way to really remote area, a little airport called New Cuyama, and that's Cuyama. A lot of people. It's a tongue twister, New Cuyama. There's a little town. It's a pretty remote area with a small town. Oil was discovered in that area in 1949, and the Richmond Oil Company built this town for their employees and built an airport, just a tiny little airport right next to it. We are flying there for lunch. Well, a little late, 2 o'clock. It'll be dinner, lunch. Just on the other side in the valley is the Carrizo Plains. Is that how you say it? Carrizo? Yeah, the Carrizo Plains. And right now they have just this super bloom going on with all the plants. So we're going to actually fly around the mountain to Carrizo Plains to see the super bloom, and then we'll just come back around, and the airport's just on the other side, and then we'll land. We'll walk through the town, get some lunch. They just repaved the runway. There's a group there that saved this airport, and the airport just got into disrepair, weeds. You landed and you were just going to mow down weeds, so I think the airport was closed for a while. This group got together, repaved the runway. They built little cabins or something like that, that you can, right around the airport, you can camp or glamp. I think they also have tent areas. So we're going to check all this out, see what's going on. Looking forward to it. We're flying over King City Airport. If anybody's heard of Sean D. Tucker, famous aerobatic pilot, he has a aerobatic school down below Tutima. He's based out of Salinas, where I'm based out of, but he does have his Tutima aerobatic flight school here at King City.
Oh, he's actually yellow.
Oh yeah, yellow's a warning. He's 1,000 feet below us, so we have traffic.
All through traffic, Cessna 150 for
Off to our left.
West, 10 miles out.
Carrying around you though.
There he is. I got him.
There.
Pass below this traffic.
And then, there he is right there. Highway 46. This takes you to the I-5. Also takes you by all the nice vineyards, wineries. So we're flying over Soda Lake right now. On the GPS, it's mapped as a dry lake. And we are approaching now the Carrizo Plains. Pretty cool. That dip in the hills over there, that's where we're going to be cutting through
Runway 11.
to go to New Cuyama Airport. Kind of bumpy. It's a bumpy ride.
Experimental 489
Very pretty up here though. A lot of green, a lot of yellows.
Northeast, going to cross midfield to the left downwind. 32, Harrison.
Alright, we are on final for runway 29 New Cuyama. It is a tiny little runway. Alright, flaps 2. Alright, we've got 3 green. Fuel pumps on, landing lights on, flaps are set.
9. 500.
We've definitely got a crosswind. Oh yeah, we've got a really stiff crosswind here. Oh yeah, look at that. It's almost 90 degrees. Long enough. Like another airplane's here. Yeah, pretty cool. New Cuyama traffic, Aero 39er72 X-rays clear of 29 New Cuyama. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and shut her down here.
Alright, we have landed in New Cuyama. This is how kind of desolate it is if you haven't been here. The runway's narrow, but in really good shape. Pretty strong crosswind. And there's a Bonanza here, and they are camping. They waved to us as we came in. Some other camp stuff over there. Look at those, Kev. Those things on the wheels. Yeah. People camping over there. All right, we're going to go ahead and walk through the little town of Cuyama, founded by the Richfield Oil Company for their employees. This is the, I guess this is the school. Doesn't look like it's open, but don't know. And then for the, I guess it's for the glamping, you've got these trailer thingies on, you can camp in. Check it out. Oh, there's a bigger one. 2 beds in there. That'd be fun. Oh no, it's way on the other side of town, so we need to get back. I'm guessing we go over here, Kev, and then we'll take the road around. Bathrooms and showers. And a food truck whenever it's open, maybe the weekends. Pretty cool. We're heading to the Buckhorn Saloon restaurant. Apparently there's new owners there. I mean, new owners, I don't know how long that's been since it's been 10 years since I've been here. And everything, the Buckhorn has been, I guess, remodeled. Airport has all that, the landing strip has all that pretty cool stuff for camping. And this is the small little town of Cuyama. So this is Highway 166 that comes along the outskirt of the town. And then coming up to the Buckhorn. Alright, side note, restaurant closes at 3. The bar has limited offerings. And then the restaurant opens up again at 5. So we're getting the nachos, a charcuterie, and a pickle platter. That'd be pretty good. When our food arrived, I mean, look at all that food. It was way more than we thought we were going to get. And man, it was really, really good. Doing my run-up right here, doing my mag check. There's campers that are behind the airplane, and I did the mag check on the runway so I didn't kick up a bunch of dust. Campers. I mean, look at that windsock. It is 90 degrees across the runway. But the takeoff was uneventful. Nice, easy takeoff. So as we're climbing, you can see the mountains there. On the other side of those mountains is the Carrizo Plains, and that's the way that we flew down. And then we looped around the mountain into New Cuyama. So now we're just leaving on the other side.
I've got the vent. Is it in your face now? No, son, yeah. I've got the vent open. It's a lot warmer on this side, like you were saying when we were flying down there. Got them blowing on my ankles. It feels good. Wow, look at the difference in the green.
I wonder if this must be the San Andreas Fault here.
It's pretty amazing, the terrain out here. 120, 125. Hey, keep it there for a second. 1, 2.
06. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 27 Celsius. Dew point 12 Celsius. Altimeter 29er.
Alright, 29er. That's what I was looking for. 29er. And then the frequency there. CTAF 123. Good. Thanks, Kev. Alright, 123.0.
The Bravo Alpha.
It's going to be busy over there.
Yeah.
A lot of airplanes.
Carrizo traffic 6476 Golf, turning base.
I've never had that where there was so much traffic over an airport that you couldn't tap onto the airport. That's busy. It's a beautiful day though, so I guess people are out flying.
Carrizo traffic, the red RVA on left base, runway 31. Half traffic head side.
Alright. Fuel tank. Switched fuel tanks. Fuel pump off. Vertical navigation is on. Clear fuel timer. Descending into Salinas.
Destination ATIS is 124.85.
I've already got the ATIS. Tower's closed. Winds are 290, 9 knots. We'll land runway 31. Fuel's on proper tank. Your seat backs are erect. Belts and harnesses are latched. Electric fuel pump on. Landing light on. Mixtures coming rich. Propeller we don't set yet. We're not going to put the gear down yet. Any traffic in the Salinas pattern? I don't hear anything. Salinas traffic, Aero 3972 X-ray is over Chular, 10 miles out, straight in 31 Salinas.
Can't see the runway, can you?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, 31's right, that green spot out there.
Oh yeah.
That's
shit.
31 right there, yeah.
Oh yeah. Never. GoPro is in the way.
Whenever I fly with Linda, gotta take it down. Man, it's 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
6 p.m. It's a late one. It's nice though. Early morning, evening, smoothest part of the days. Salinas traffic, Aero 3972 X-ray is 4 mile final 31 Salinas. This will be a full stop. Alright, we're going to put the wheels down, but we got to slow way down. To 130. There it is. Wheels are coming down. And 3 green. Props going full forward. That trim. Fields look pretty cool. Yeah, the lighting over there is really nice.
3-1.
Short final, 3-1. Looks like the Vazzy's out. How's that for butter? Holy moly! Salinas traffic, Aero 3972 X-ray is clear of 3-1, taxiing to the south side via Alpha Bravo, crossing 268 on Alpha.
Approaching runway 0826. Entered runway 0826.
I hope you enjoyed our journey to the Carrizo Plains and to New Cuyama. I'll definitely be back for some camping. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you take a look at some of my other videos. Until our next journey, peace.